do something about this.
Okay, everyone, here comes the fun part.
Now for the fun part, we're just gonna paint the car. That's the fun part. I'm gonna take my over fender out for now. I'm gonna paint them separately instead of on the car, because it'd be easier, you know? So yeah. This is perfect. Let's show the final review. Let's go.
Yeah, look how ugly that thing is.
Oh. Wow. You know what? Mess it up.
And I am beautiful, no matter what they say. No one can bring me down. I am beautiful in every single way.
Oh man, that was a doozy. I think I went a little bit too far with it for right now. It's also kind of funny because I don't know. Man, I don't know what to say. It's like I really messed it up, kind of, just a little bit. Really mix up the color. The vision in my head, it does not the vision on the car right now. So, ooh, really. I would say I kind of do an alright job of it, you know, not horribly, but still the purple that I wanted does not match the purple on the car. So for now, I'm probably gonna run that color for just a little bit, maybe in a few events for right now, and after that, I'm definitely gonna switch the color to, you know, more darker version of this purple, or maybe some different one, you know. I full scented too much because I was too locked in. I was too locked in on it, and I think I was too locked in. I did not want to, you know, send it all down and do it again. And I just like, I already screwed up, and I just say, no, let's just keep going. Can't stop now, you know. So yeah, that's the funny part. But it was a fun time. I did have a fun time doing it. So yeah, so that should be it. Fun time. So that is the end of the video, and honestly, I hope you guys like the video a little bit, you know. And you know, if you guys like the video, please like, subscribe, and you know, stay tuned until the next video where I'm rocking this really, I guess, candid color. A little bit too bright to my liking. A little bit too bright. That's the end of it. So yeah. So all right, I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I see you on the next one. Hopefully, I did not mess it up next time. Maybe I am. Who knows? You know, it's just a funny part. It's alive. You know, it's alright.